Previously on The Forest.
What the f? This uncooked ass food in front of me, man. This shit look nasty as f. Get the hell off me, little bit.
Yeah, there's a criminal behind you.
What the
James.
f? Whoa! What the fuck? Damn! I can't even move. Bitch ass nigga, man. Put your cheeks away. The hell? Why you naked for? Oh, you can catch it.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool. Oh my god! What the fuck? Oh my god! Oh, there's two! What the fuck? He came out of the darkness like a villain. The trees! Oh my god! I can't believe.
You scared the living shit out of me. I was about to molest your entire fucking...
What?
I don't know what I was gonna do. We never finished the dock, and the hammer symbol is over here. Oh my god, he's fucking running.
Oh my god!
Get out of me!
Fuck.
I'm out of stamina.
Oh my
He
god.
is still behind us.
He broke the tree!
There's more in front of us, man. There's more in front of us. What is that?
Do you hear
noise?
that shit, bro? This nigga is running a marathon around us. Alright.
Bro, as soon as you get out, run.
He's gonna be right there.
Oh my
He's
god.
to the
Oh my
left.
god. Oh my god.
He's to the right.
Oh! He was not to the left, you bit. Oh. Okay, and now I'm black. What the hell?
I'm black too. What the hell? Hey, are we the same? Are we the same guy?
Man, if you don't get your dirty fingers out my fucking face. This bitch literally looks like Smeagol before he lost his hair.
What the fuck just happened?
Is that a dick coming out of her mouth, bro? What the fuck? This alright, dog. This bitch got a damn tree coming out her mouth. 2, 1, go. Oh my god. Oh, he did it. He did it.
Oh,
Holy fucking
oh my
shit,
God,
dog.
I am dead. Would you say the first game was kind of easy once we got the hang of it?
That game was easy because we had an island.
True.
And when we got to the boss fight, it was kind of balanced. Like, I remember using almost everything except for the gun. Like, when I shot it with the gun, I remember killing it. And I still had a lot more ammo. So I don't know if there's gonna be a crazy boss fight in this game. I kind of want it to be like a feat, or like, you know, an actual accomplishment, if that makes sense. Because if we get to the final boss and we're all geared up and we end up just tapping that nigga.
Yeah, I guess hard. Let's go hard to be safe.
I bet.
Hard. And also to the people at YouTube, we back, baby.
This is actually the first game I've ever played where it does that. I played all of Elden Ring with these niggas telling me Xbox controls.
I played Xbox, so I can kind of know what the Xbox controls are talking about. Like, X is usually square, A is X.
Yo, it kind of look. Damn.
Mine's still loading.
I'm in a cutscene. Edward Puffington. Puffkin.
Still loading.
Am I supposed to be doing something?
Oh, if you use the analog stick, you can scroll through the missing people.
Barbara. Virginia.
Oh, it gives us a map.
Big ass hands. Fight. demons. Oh my!
Damn. What the fuck? Fractal.
Yo, this is dumb loud.
Did we get shot? Oh my. Jesus fucking. What the hell? Oh, we dead.
Nigga sitting in front of me is definitely dead. Calvin should be good though. Pretty sure he's the one that goes deaf.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god! Holy shit!
Holy Jesus. We should be dead. What the hell?
What
Who
the
are you?
hell? That
Why
looked
you
like
gonna kick me.
that looked like that nigga bitch from Gen V, bro.
Where'd he get a gun? I gonna point at us, then bitch slap us. The hell?
Doesn't that look like the nigga and the bitch from Gen V?
Yeah.
What the
Yeah,
hell?
it did, actually. Yeah. Now that you mentioned it. Wait, was that you behind me?
I think that's
Or-
you behind me. Or in front of me now. Emergency only.
So, walkie-talkie, X.
Is that him?
Wait, is that... Oh. Yeah, it is. Can you help him up?
Come on, Calvin. The HUD kind of looks like Red Dead Redemption 2.
Yeah, it does. You're an old man. The fuck? What do I look like?
Like a younger guy. Oh, he's deaf and blind? Oh, wait, no. He got his sight back.
I think
Okay.
you're trying to see if he has a concussion or not. Can I... Where is it?
How you push him? Yeah, we should search all these suitcases. Ooh, a grenade. Oh, you can change the color of the lights around your bag. This thing got a lot of stamina. Can run for a long ass time. I guess since we're like niggas in the army, makes sense.
I gotta say, the greenery looks better.
Yeah, the graphics are pretty good. Why did you eat it? I just wanted you to pick it up. That hurt me.
You probably need a pouch. Okay.
What was that?
What? What you hear?
Heard extra footsteps running through there.
I see spider webs.
I see a spider
Where?
on the webs. Hold on, let me take my axe off. He has something on him. They got rope and shit behind here.
This guy has something on him, Jamin.
Slingshot. This is where we can use the tiny rocks, and we don't have a way to track him. Is that him? Oh, this is him. Dumbass. He pissed me off, like John did. Ah, boy.
Okay.
Take the fucking walkie off. Holy
I
shit.
did. How do you hear? I don't hear anything when I take it out. I was swapping
He's
it.
fucking playing in the water. There's too many. I'm not fighting. We can't fight yet. We gotta learn how to get this thing a weapon. Let's go this way. I was literally about to ask, how long do you think it'll take before we see some niggas? Didn't take long. Okay, so on the GPS, the big K is his name.
Okay. They're just everywhere.
This is really reminding me of Green Hell, honestly, with the way that these things are just out here.
Does that mean it's safe? It was not safe. How the fuck are you fine and I'm not? The hell?
I want to find an island. But I can't. Is there a way to view the entire map?
Not unless we find one. Bone armor, crafted clothes.
Is that the bitch right there?
Where?
He's
Oh, it is.
running. What do we do?
I don't know. You gonna chase her? Jamin?
The hell? It's getting dark, bro. I can't see. I can't see shit, so. I can't see anything in front of me.
Found vodka. They had a pistol rail. They had a thing for a pistol on them. Oh, I can pick up the boombox or radio.
Meds as well. A watch. Pistol rail. 5mm.
Over here, C4 bricks.
Alright, let's make some shit. There's a chance we might not see him again.
Alright, I built us a better fire, huh?
Said there's a chance we might not see him again.
What did you make him go do?
Told him to finish the structure. But if he doesn't have an axe, I don't know where the fuck he's gonna get logs. Thing is going to Narnia. What do I do with this tarp? Put my dick on it? How do I go to sleep?
You need a stick.
I got sticks.
You need to place it down. And then look at the ground. And change it before... Yeah, like that.
You only need one
He'll
side up.
snap it. He'll snap it in half.
There it is. What the? How is he chopping shit down? Look at this strong ass nigga, bro. The hell?
He punched that shit, man.
Hit that motherfucker like that. Like that. Like those. Like that. Like those. Like that.
Jamin, I think you had the walkie out. Thank you.
You can throw them bitches far. What did you tell him to do?
I didn't tell him to do anything.
Why are they watching him? Go away. Should I shoot him?
I think that's a good idea.
Of course not. These things don't got no distance.
That was a little too high.
I'm aiming right at him. Oh shit.
I don't know if that was me or you.
New recipe. His body's still there. They actually left the body. Why do they just keep landing there? Yo, I keep sniping these niggas now. Oh, she's back.
I think you gotta let her walk up to you. She's kind of like a scared animal. You basically gotta let her walk up to you, and then I think you can do something.
Ain't this one of the missing people? This was Virginia, wasn't it?
That's fucked up. I'm sorry.
Yo, she's trying to break my ankles, bro. This is a lot of walls that it takes. Like, what? Like, I think the best building system that I have seen is either from Conan or Ark. This thing is bold. He's pulling up on me.
He has a stick. Hey, get down from there.
He said, you see, I can just climb it. That's a damn sickle, ain't it? No, bone. Don't do nothing stupid.
He did something stupid. I think I parried his attack, though.
Nope. Can't get away now.
And don't even think about it. You just fucking whacked me in the face. Well, time to burn his body.
That was our first attack. Very anticlimactic. I look different.
No, not really. Why?
Your character's face looked like...
Oh, you got leaves.
Yeah, I got leaf armor. Your character's face looked like he was genuinely focused on trying to see what was different. He started frowning his eyebrow. She just sat down. And now she's dancing. She sat down in front of me, got up, started dancing, and then ran. Is still running. The hell is wrong with her? The hell is that? Why are they...
Get me out of the fucking crafting.
They're
oh
breaking
my
our
God.
shit. They're breaking our shit. Fuck out of here.
Don't stop breaking the house.
Get away from Calvin! One got away.
Hey, Jamin. What am I doing?
Why are you getting closer and closer? Shaking the shit.
Ah. You shaked it too. The hell?
What the fuck? Watch out, nigga. This crackhead ass. Yeah, I ain't playing with you. Stay the fuck down. Why is he getting back up? I ain't trying to hear none of that. Where's the other one? He was attacking Calvin. You bitch. Nah, 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 nah. We're not doing that. Oh, wait. We might be doing that. That nigga almost killed me. Oh, my. This nigga actually killed me. How long does it take?
Yeah.
I'm fucking dead. I need you to come rescue me. You got like 30 seconds, man.
Hold on.
I didn't realize how low my health was. Where the hell is Kelvin? Why didn't he pick me up?
Okay, you're mad lucky I didn't go to the bathroom yet. I had to wait for my grandmother. What the hell even happened?
This strong ass nigga right here fucking
He took his
ran.
arm off.
He ran full speed down the hill and shoulder checked me hard as fuck, and then I killed him, and then his friend came and rushed me as well, and then finished me off. Ow.
You're gonna die again.
I'm on fire. I think I'm gonna die.
What you?
I didn't die. I am
Wait,
really low
stand
health.
Stand still. Stand still.
Hello there. What the?
Maybe
was
we
that?
need an item.
It said X before she ran into my face, but I didn't get to see what it said. You have food?
No.
The only thing it's saying that I could give her is a shotgun, a pistol, or a walkie-talkie. But I don't have any of those.
Jamin.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Are they attacking him? Holy fuck!
They knocked him down. He needs back up. He has a sickle. He has a bone sickle. He tried fucking charging me.
Put me to half.
He's coming back. No, he's not. No, you fucking What the hell? Skin pouch? Ew!
Shot him with an arrow. You're not running, buddy. Not this time.
Jamin, we're getting jumped. And I'm dead.
Oh no. Oh my. He killed me. I literally shot an arrow into his chest and he immediately killed me. Who the fuck was that and why was he so hostile? He ran straight into the house and just fucking stabbed me once. What type of shit is that?
Oh, you spawned in the same spot that I spawned.
Can I swim out? What the fuck is happening?
You gotta pick up a knife that should be near you. And they're still breaking our base. She one-shotted me. Alright. Alright.
Who one-shot you?
The bitch that was attacking the lady.
I can't see.
She literally bitch slapped
There,
me.
right there.
I immediately died.
Got
That was not the person. They were covered in leaves.
You're getting worse, Jason. These niggas is getting more and more aggressive.
He's coming for you, Jamin.
Did I miss? Or did I hit him?
I think you hit him in the back. He one-shotted me again.
Uh-oh. I'm out of arrows. He one-shot me. Oh my fucking goodness, bro. This is a disaster, dog.
Threw me into the fucking ocean again.
Can't just keep allowing them to watch us. This thing is kind of tall, Jason.
That's a big ass stick. Okay, alright. He one-shotted me, and I'm pretty sure.
Oh, he one-shot me too. Kelvin, run.
Did he
Kelvin,
go?
run. He was following
after-
me. Oh my gosh, bro, this game fucking is annoying. I threw a Molotov on him. I'm sick of your shit. I'm sick of all of you. Dumb. Leave us the fuck alone. You gonna stop fucking strutting around here unless you're gonna help or do something? Like, fuck off, man.
And then tell him to follow you.
The way he looked at you first, then started running.
I hope to God I'm doing this right.
Pickaxe, maybe?
Yo, where is he going? Yeah. Yeah.
You fucking loser, Kelvin. Alright, I take break right here. Sick as a fucking toddler, bro.
Kevin, if you die, I don't care. You're really pissing me off. You're just there.
Stares at you
Doing
blankly.
fucking nothing.
The way he just waddles away like you should have been. He's trying to tell you he's uncomfortable. You aren't hearing it.
This motherfucker needs to get out the way.
I'm watching an entire squad spawn in.
That's cool.
An entire squad of what, 5, 6? Hold on, I gotta watch my Calvin! They rocked his shit. They're rocking his shit.
This guy's wearing skin.
Should I throw my grenade? Like, honestly, bro. No way, I'm dead.
My God, man.
We're getting
We
shit
were
on. And I am listening to them destroy all of our shit. It's Yo, he one-shot me, bro. Oh my god. 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 Oh my god.
Damn, you didn't even get into the base? Shit.
I hit him twice. This thing came out fucking to the streets and wanted the ones. They all get out of the fucking base and are huddled together. I'm throwing the grenade, bro. So I help you up and then you just run off. That hit did nothing to him. It literally isn't doing anything to him. What the fuck?
Oh my. And then I'm dead.
I don't know if we should have put this on hard, Jason. I should have prioritized making more arrows. It would seem distance is the game that needs to be played here. He just walked up, covered in blood. Just like, he survived the war. Oh my gosh, bro! This is one of the more rough starts to a survival game that we have had. Any sharks?
Well, I haven't been attacked, and someone was here, dead. Get a gun.
Is that a Lunchable?
Huh? What the fuck?
GPS
I have a gun now.
locator. Get off me. I too have a gun. Gotta use this. Some more flares. You can give the gun to her, but I wonder if it would, like, give her unlimited ammo or some shit.
I mean, I could give her mine. See what happens. Oh, I can give her the GPS locator.
Alright, give her that. So now we can see her on the map.
Virginia. Okay.
What the?
What the? Oh, okay.
Why are you in my face? Don't think you just gonna get everything. What the fuck?
So her
Wait.
third arm has the piece.
She only had two, didn't she?
Apparently, she had a third arm. It just sprouted out of fucking nowhere. Unless it's glitched.
It's not even allowing me to give. I was wondering if you could dual wield that bitch. Why are you staring at me so hard? The hell's your problem?
Alright, let's look at the fucking GPS. So there's 3 other exclamation points.
We need food. But I guess we can just go looking at somewhere. Let me finish my damn pizza. Just based off of what we just did, going and exploring would be probably, or will probably be, the best way to continuously find supplies. Like, we would be better off looking at somewhere for food rather than, you know.
Waiting for the food to come to us.
Yeah. Oh, open field right here. You know, if we had a ball, we could play catch, man. Surely nothing bad would happen.
They would pull up, fucking jump from the goddamn trees. I catch you having fun.
The Undertaker would probably return. This don't even look like a survival game, bro. What the hell? Look like Ghost of Tsushima in this bitch, bro.
Looks beautiful
What
as
was that noise?
fuck until you realize there's fucking cannibals trying to eat our ass. Now, this water should be good, right? He was next to it. No. Okay, so that's how he died. Died probably fucking shitting himself.
Thought that this water would be clean.
Jamin? Jamin?
This thing got tattoos on him. What the hell? His
I
fucking
think
butt
he's
cheeks
covered in
inside.
mud.
There's a lot of them. I see 3. More niggas to the right. There's golf carts.
And a man just walked out of a cave.
Wait, this is a cave?
Yeah, he just climbed out of it. I literally just saw him. He's not decomposed like the others.
How would he be on a golf cart out here?
Car battery.
Golf cart battery. What the hell?
Oh, now we can make the improved thing, you know?
Wait, is that bitch next to us?
Is it her?
She just emerged out from the bushes. With berries in her hands. Placed them on the ground and then is now just like chilling here. I'm not dead. It won't let me put anything on the fire.
Why is it... What the what? Why was the pot sideways?
The noise it made. Where's the wood? You fucking idiot, Kelvin. Go get some wood.
You can make chicken noodle soup. You need an arm, which is weird, and fucking cup. It looks like. And for mushrooms, cream of mushrooms, you need three mushrooms of each mushroom, basically. You can make eggnog.
In order to make chicken noodle soup, you need an arm.
Yep. You can make eggnog. You need 5 fucking eggs and 1 vodka, I believe. Greg, who the fuck is Greg? You need 2 arms, 1 head, and 2 legs.
Blood just
to make
went
Greg.
to sleep on his head next to the fire after being lit on fire. Alright. No, I wouldn't say successful, but that was our first week, man.
Amazing.